Sushi rice is a seasoned short grain rice that's essential for making sushi rolls, bowls, and even burritos. It can be a little difficult to get the consistency just right, so I'm gonna be sharing with you a few of my tricks to get it sticky, but not too sticky, as well as how to give it that classic sushi rice taste. Oh yeah, and I'm Lena Brazil, and you're watching Evolving Table, where we make healthier spins on classic recipes. So let's jump straight in and get to cooking. The ingredients you'll need are rather simple. Some short grain sushi rice. This can either be a Japanese or California variety. It has a higher starch content than longer grain varieties, which gives it that classic sticky texture. You can normally find bags of it in your local grocery store, on either the grains aisle or in the Asian food section. You will typically see sushi rice printed on the front of the bag. And then the seasoning ingredients, some sugar, salt, and rice vinegar. Notice I didn't say seasoned rice vinegar or even sushi vinegar. These both have additional sugar and salt already added, so if you're using these, you're gonna wanna adjust the amount of sugar and salt that you use or even leave them out completely. And now for one of my tricks to get that perfectly sticky rice. Since the rice has such a high starch content, it's very important that you rinse it really well before cooking. Place 2 cups of sushi rice into a fine mesh strainer and rinse it under cool water for 1 to 2 minutes. You'll know it's done when the water runs clear. Let it drain and dry for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking. Once it's dry, add the rinsed rice and 2.5 cups of water to a medium-sized pot and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and simmer for 20 minutes. While the rice is finishing up cooking, I'm gonna get started on those seasoning ingredients. In a separate small saucepan over medium heat, combine 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the sugar and salt have dissolved. Sometimes when I'm in a rush, I'll add all of these ingredients to a medium-sized bowl and pop them in the microwave for a minute or 2. When the rice is cooked, transfer it to a large bowl, and then pour the seasoned vinegar evenly over top. Toss until the rice is well coated using either a rice paddle or a silicone spatula. And be very careful here. You don't want to smush the rice. Gently fold it until it's all evenly mixed. Cover the rice with a damp paper towel to prevent it from drying out, and let it sit until it is cooled to room temperature. See, I told you that was so quick and easy. It's got the perfect consistency. Now you can use up this homemade sushi rice in your favorite sushi rolls, bowls, and burritos. And if you need a little bit of sushi roll inspo, I have got you covered. You've got to check out these 3 cooked sushi rolls right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.